So, I guess this is another random thoughts. I have no idea what I'm about to say right now, but I know a lot of people may have this on their mind, like Mother Nature is playing games right now because yesterday was rainy, windy. No, it was like just rainy yesterday. Prior to that, it was windy, like to the point where you thought you can fly. Don't try it. And now it's sunny, clear skies, sunny. You could actually feel rays of the sun. So, is it winter? Is it fall? At this point, I don't know. Don't even know the summer. It's supposed to be fall. It really just hasn't settled in yet. So, one day, I'm like, I don't know what to even wear right now. Like, wear the hat, wear the scarf, sweat, and then I don't know, if you wear shorts, you get sick. What I don't know. Yeah, I don't know whether to put your wigs in your bag, keep your wig on, get your wig tied down. I don't have to be worried about that. Well, I'm about to wrap this video up, but I'm gonna end with this on this note. I left my office today, getting ready to go home, and I run into one of my coworkers, and he left me with this. Instead of saying, "Have a nice day, enjoy the rest of your day," he switched it up and said, "Enjoy the rest of your life." You don't want somebody to just enjoy the rest of the day. You want to hope, even if you like, if you really care about them. Heck, even if you don't. So it's not a weight on your shoulder. Let them enjoy the rest of their lives. Always put something positive out there. Don't put nothing negative. So I'm out.